Alright, we're going to go ahead and demonstrate all three lockers. It's in neutral already. It's going to hit low range right here. Hit those three guys, put it in drive. Start crawling forward. There goes the second one. And there goes all three.